This just in, breaking news, a tutorial on how to make a nature shadow box. Instructions to follow. Please stay tuned. Here are some completed examples from local artesian naturalists. Some materials you may use are rocks, sweet gumballs, and not the kind from a candy store, branches, moss, and anything small that catches your eye out in nature. Here's a branch you could break up into smaller pieces. Some other materials you will need are watercolored paints, brushes, colored pencils, pens, and paper. First, you need to find an area to take a nature hike. Keep your eyes open for rocks and streams, patches of moss, and other objects that you could find in a wooded area. These are sweet gumballs that we found on the ground. Some things you might find may be pretty but aren't good for a nature shadow box. Here are some more things that are not so good. Remember, leaves will disintegrate and some things are just plain too big. When choosing rocks, try to find ones with distinct characteristics. However, remember, not too big. This one is especially unique. Check out some of the items we found. These are the perfect size. Once you've gathered all your supplies, now it is time to get your background painted. You've got several options. You can paint or do a nature print. This is a nature print. Once your print is finished, take off the backing of the shadow box and fill with all your favorite collections. You may need to glue items on the background to create a fuller appearance. Once your box is filled, carefully put the background on and close the backing tightly. Voila! Enjoy your nature shadow boxes as a way to remember your nature hike.